Hello! Welcome to another video and welcome to my first ever unboxing video. There! Before getting into this, I'm gonna talk a little bit about the other computers that I used to have and why I didn't stick with them. Starting with the Toshiba that I used to have here. This is a Toshiba Satellite C55D V5102 apparently. This is pretty light. I had this computer for around 4 years, 5 years. I used to have this for school. I used to do all my work over here. But once I started doing the YouTube videos, I noticed that the program I used to have was, well, it took me so long to save one video. It was like an hour and a half to save one video. Not only because all the time that I was spending in saving my videos and then upload it to YouTube, but also every single time that I tried to put a little more extra in my videos, it was just frozen. My whole screen just used to freeze while I was editing the video and then close the app like that. And then if I didn't save the progress or something, it will be erased. I just had to start again from the beginning basically. After that, my ex was getting rid of his Alienware. He offered me to buy it from him for I think 400 or something like that, which wasn't bad because it was a gaming computer and everything. And the only thing I was thinking about was that I was gonna be able to experiment a little bit more with my editing process and all of that. It was either that or get a brand new computer just to find out if it was good. He lent it to me and then I started editing more videos over there and I discovered that, oh my god, it was so fast to save all my videos. It was pretty cool, and then uploading my videos to YouTube also took less time. This is the one that I got. This is my first Alienware. But this computer is extremely heavy. It's so heavy. When I got it, I decided to have it only on my desk. And then after that, the battery started dying. I had to have it plugged in at all times. The battery wasn't recognized at all. It was whatever because I was doing everything on my desk. The reason why I decided to change that is because this is an old model. This was a Alienware 17R3. I was dealing with the whole battery situation and also it was really heavy. And for the future, I had plans of going back to school, so I was thinking that I needed a computer I could take to school. I could take it in my backpack. It didn't have any battery problems. So with that, we finished the background of all my computers and the reason why I changed them. So I started to do some research in a lot of YouTube channels and it was so helpful. I'm gonna leave over here all the channels that I found. It was kind of overwhelming a little bit because they speak another language. I'm not very good with a lot of technology and a lot of the names for computers and the RAM and all of that, but these channels make everything so clear. And I found one in a specific that was talking about creators. I found that this computer, the one I got, was pretty good to edit some videos, carry heavy loads of work in an editor. Graphics were amazing, the memory was amazing. So I was doing way more research, everything. I need to be 100% sure that I want this. I'm gonna try to find all the videos and I'm gonna try to leave it down in the description box for you to understand more. Guys, this is not a technology kind of channel. I'm just commenting on my experience with this computer. Hopefully it helps you if you're looking forward to buy an Alienware. Yeah. Okay, now going to my computer. The specifications are gonna be listed right here. This is one of the scariest things I ever done. First of all, because this baby is the second thing more expensive that I own. The first thing is my car. The second thing is this computer. Pretty expensive. It was close to $3,600. Also, another thing, getting your Alienware is so scary. It's so intimidating. You go to the website, whenever you scroll down, you find all these specifications, what kind of state drive you want, what kind of memory you want, what kind of RAM you want, what kind of, like, all of these insane questions that I was like, I never had to do any of this. Every single time I used to go to Best Buy, the computer was already there and I was like, well, this is pretty, this is like a lot of memory, I get this, that's it. I don't have to deal with any of this. With Alienware, basically you're creating your own personalized computer, so that's pretty bad, but also it's kind of scary, and even more for me because I'm not really familiar with all of these situations for the computer. Thank you so much again to all the YouTubers who are out there helping you to find the perfect computer, and they helped me a lot, like I said before. Links down in the description box if you want to go and check out some of the videos that I watch, because they helped me a lot. I've been testing it and everything, and so far all the videos that I've been editing, perfect. Every single time that I speed up some of my clips, amazing. I can speed up my clip up to, let's say, 3,000 times the speed, the normal, and I can see everything happening in front of me while I'm editing, so that's pretty amazing. And one tip that I'm gonna give you is, if you're buying a new Alienware and you already have one Alienware, get the transfer files that they offer because it's way easier than if you just like grab all your files and then move it to the other, and you know, it's just like annoying. It's a really expensive computer, so if you want to buy one of these, really think about it. Think if you really need it, if you're gonna give it like the use it deserves in a way. I'm pretty sure there are other options for you and that are really good, and there are as well really good quality and everything. It's up to you at the end what you decide, whether you want this, whether you want another, a cheaper one. This is pretty good for me because it has like a big screen. So far I've been using this computer for almost 2 months and the experience has been great. One of the things that I did discover, because I'm not really good with measurement, inches and all of that, is that the computer was bigger than I was expecting, because I was expecting to fit this in my backpack, but that's not happening. And also it's way heavier than I was expecting. Also for the fans are amazing. Every single time that I've been working on my computer, I never felt my keyboard getting hot or being not able to touch the keyboard because it was so hot. Things that it used to happen on my other Alienware. But with this has a new technology of fans which blows air out of your computer from the back, from the sides, from the front, and also from the top, and I think at the bottom also. I'm not very sure. And we're talking that I spend like 6-7 hours editing videos some days, so it's been pretty good. I haven't played any video games yet, so I'm not sure about how the fans work with all the video games. I still need to test the computer on that side, but I'm talking about my experience, just pretty much editing videos. And I just simply refuse to have an Apple product. I'm just amazed with this computer. Let me know down below in the comments if you have any question about this computer, and I'm gonna do my best to reply to all of you guys. If you have an Alienware, let me know what's your experience with it. If you haven't subscribed, click the button down below to subscribe. I usually make lifestyle kind of content, and also I try to take you guys along with me every single time that I travel somewhere. So if you're into that kind of content, subscribe. And also, if you like this video, give it a like. If you didn't like this video, let me know down below in the comments why you didn't like it and what can I do to make it better. And if you're already part of the family, if you're already subscribed, I love you so much. You're the best. Don't forget to activate the bell so you get all my notifications every single time that I upload a new video. And with not more to say, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!